Hello, you guys. I'm trying to find out where the camera is at. You know what I'm saying? So I can be looking at you when I'm talking. But I want to come on tonight to show you guys how to make some quick, easy, homemade cough medicine. On those days you're feeling really bad and you keep coughing and you just got this horrible cough, or your chest is all tight, or your nose is stopped up. I want to show you how to make your own cough medicine. So come on over here and watch me do this. Now look at this. Yeah. If you are not old, look at me. If you are not old enough to be drinking, do not look at this video. Disregard it, okay? If you do not drink, disregard this video, okay? Now, this is for those that's grown and sexy and handsome and like getting a get down on, okay? All right, here we go. In a small little jar like this, this is a nice size, okay? You want to get the stick peppermint, okay? I broke it in threes, okay? What I'm going to do is drop it in just like this in the jar. And I normally get the round peppermints, but these are the only ones they had. And I wasn't going to go looking all around the world to find no round peppermints. So we're going to go ahead with these. As long as they hard, that's what we want. Drop them all in there just like this. And let me say this. I did not say that this was going to taste good. I didn't say that. Because actually it has a syrupy, it's going to come into a syrupy thick texture. And all you need is a spoonful of it. So whatever you, going through, trust and believe, it's going to clear right on out you. You're probably going to throw up, but trust and believe, you're going to feel better. And that's my focus, is to get your sick self feeling better, okay? I know I love y'all, and I don't want nobody out there sick and can't get out to get the NyQuil, or maybe you don't even have the money to buy it, you know? Sometimes we get in that predicament. And you drop all that in there, and as you see, I cut one lemon up. I cut it in half. I'm gonna break this peppermint up like that. Drop it on down in there, just like that. Get sick, remember what I told you. Make your own cough syrup. Okay. Drop it on down there. And now we're going to squeeze this lemon over it. And I'm holding my hand like this because I don't want those seeds in my stuff. Don't want the seeds, we just want the juice. Just a little bit of it. Okay. Just like that. Yep, just like that. All right. Did I get seed in there? I really did. Oh no. Come out of there. Stop sliding. Gotcha. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and pour this Bacardi Gold. This is rum. We're going to pour that over it. I see another, oh, shoot. Come on, baby. Don't do this. Well, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. We're going to pour this over it, and we're going to cover it. See that? That's all you do. You take your little spatula or whatever, and you mix all that up just like that. And you do not touch this until you see the peppermints melted. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Don't worry about it. You don't need no honey or none of that. That's all you gotta do. Shake it up. You see that? You see what it's doing? Trust and believe in about a day, all of that's going to be melting, and you're going to have that cough medicine, cough syrup. Okay? All right, you guys. I love you. I just want to show you one of my family faves. I love you guys, and you take care of yourself. See you later. Bye-bye.